Hello friends, fighting question tine total job ni notification kaisa nalenai notification korka the government of Tripura office of the district magistrate and collector Dolai district ambasa ni bisingtina notification korka 20 October 2022 tarik te notification bising telajaknai pasta block wise or village resource person lajaknai fighting question notification e details na nalenai the name of the district jatango Dolai te pasta block ni mur jatango ambasa Domburnagar Durga Chumuni Mono te Salima o pasta block wise ro vacant post rojak tongo te total ke 13 vacancies tongnai HC ni bagai 1 ST ni bagai 5 te UR ni bagai 7 women candidates ni bagai 1 o post ni bagai jara jara interested candidate tongnai te narok application form fill up khlai rojak tongo address DM and collector Dolai district the concerned block development officer o address ro narok ni application form no thangai na joma marinai 21 October ni sime 7 November jora tene lajaknai 11 AM ni sime 4 PM jora o post ni bagai as limit nangnai 18 years ni sime 40 years tai minimum education qualification nangnai madhyamik pass khaijangke norok o post ni bagai apply khaimanai tai norok ni MGN rega iba family ni MGN rega ni job card tongna nangnai saja tai jara jara PRI representative meets and others official tongke norok o post ni bagai apply khaimia ni saja tai preferences jaknai watershed management committees village school committees SEGS community based organization tongke norok preference jaknai hinsa te selection process ke duita step na success ma khainai hinsa final selection ni bagai total 50 mark tongnai 50 mark ni bisingo 40 mark ke academic mark te 10 mark ke personal interview ni mark tongnai offline application form fill up khlai norok the DPC DM and collector Dolai district te the block development officer o address thangai na norok 7 November ni bisingo thangai joma marinai form ni loge passport size photo nangnai inke loge xerox copy tilangna nangnai marks of different examination te work experience certificate issued by competent authority the PRTC Aadhaar card the MGN Rega job card proof of SEG member and for HC ST candidates xerox copy of caste certificate omahai document select tested xerox copy tilangai na application form ni loge joma marinai omongkha application form te jara jara interested candidate na te norok o application form na fill up khlai na joma relaide o application na ang video ni description na rinai Inke friends, naranugui mankana Dolai district ni under tai pasta block wise village research person ni katal job ni notification o mohai katal job ni notification naine bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai sapuk khaidi